Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to write a note to followers. This is what works for me and this is what I've been doing. So what I do is I always start out in a Word document, pages, whatever you like to use, and I will type out my email. So this is not very long and it takes me about 10 minutes to do, and I like to try to send one every week. So I am writing this one for this week, and this week is Veterans Day. So I always format my letters to followers or my notes to followers as something that will help them. So I give free ideas to what they could do. So it is not like a sales pitch. It is, hey, these are some great ideas that you can use this week. By the way, here's some resources below that I think you'll like, and I will link some of my resources. So for the subject, I put free Veterans Day activity suggestions, and I try to keep this conversational and very helpful. So I will write, I hope that you're having a wonderful start to the week with Veterans Day approaching. I wanted to share some ideas for activities that could help commemorate this important occasion in your classroom. These activities can provide a meaningful learning experience for your students while honoring the sacrifices made by our veterans. So, and then I give ideas. So, write thank you letters to veterans, Veterans Day art projects, collaborative thank you banner, a read out loud session, and then below I will add some books that they could find in their library. And then I do like a little closing section where I say, I hope you find these suggestions helpful in planning your Veterans Day activities. And then I tell them, feel free to adapt them to the grade level and preferences of your students. And then I also try to acknowledge the teacher's hard work, because teachers work so hard and they're not appreciated. So I add, thank you for your dedication to providing a meaningful education experience for your students. And then I say, below are a few more resources that I think you will love, Jenny. So I typically will send this once a week. And what I will do is if I'm running a sale or something, I will then, or if there is a site-wide sale, I will plug my products. But by consistently having free ideas, it kind of builds a relationship with your followers, and it will help you to have a good relationship. Because I ran a sale last week and I sold $15 worth of stuff after I sent my note to followers announcing that I had a sale. So I think that having this good relationship will help with getting sales in the end. So I have everything all written out, and what I'll do is I'll copy and paste everything. And then once I'm in my TPT homepage, I will go over to the shop, and then I will go note to followers. And I will compose a note, and then I will copy and paste everything, and then I will obviously take that out of there, and I'll probably put in just hello. And then I will put free Veterans Day activity suggestions, and then everything down here. It looks a little too spaced out, so I will just format it so it looks visually pleasing. And then what I'll do is I'll go over to this right here, and it says embed resources, and I will pick the resources that I want to include. And you can add 4 at a time. And then at the very bottom there's this add resources button, and then I will do that. And then I will add a few more that I want to do in there. And then I will add my resources, and that is what my note to followers looks like. And then you can click preview and schedule. I can either schedule or I can send. So I haven't scheduled anything yet, just because I don't know when the site-wide sale is going to be in November, if it's in November or if it's in December. and I want to make sure that I have that emails free for sending like out an announcement that I'm having a sale. So what I will do is I will click send, or you could click schedule. I'm going to click send, and my message is sent. So that is what I do when I do my note to followers. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. If you're not subscribed, subscribe, and I will see you next week.